Okay, let me show you in 60 seconds or less how we took this e-commerce brand in Australia from 16,000 as their biggest day ever to 66K in a single day. And they've been running for over 5 years and they've never been able to break this ceiling. So as you can see below, 66K, that's one day from 8 till 12. A lot of the revenue was driven in a peak, so 8 to 10:30-ish. And then throughout the rest of the day, we brought in consistent revenue, finishing the day at 66K. We actually broke the day within the first hour. So let's go over. Now, again, they hadn't broken that 16K day goal or biggest day ever in the past 5 years. Their traffic wasn't converting how it should have. They were using weak creative strategy. There's a lot of offer confusion and low conversion rate issues, and scaling just wasn't sustainable. I think when we took over the account, they were spending about $200 a day, which we're spending significantly more now, which is good to see. Means we're doing something right. Now, this is exactly what we changed. We implemented a bunch of new UGC first ads, completely rebuilt all the hooks, tightened the product page, simplified the offer, set up a very aggressive retargeting campaign, and this is not only across Meta, but also across the email and other channels. Now, smart scaling up strategy within Meta. We're budget allocating correctly. We're pushing budgets to where it needs to be. And we're almost scaling the account in terms of we're checking it multiple times a day, making sure everything's going right. As well as we have a pre-hype offer strategy, which was the case here because we ran an offer. So, as you can see, last 365 days, they would coast around this mark. And then when we took over in about August, late August, early October, we've then seen a spike up. Now you can see much more orders, much more profitably. Now, and once everything was aligned, they hit their biggest day ever. So it wasn't luck, it was all systemized. As you can see from that, you don't do massive jumps in revenue that you've never done before over a 5-year period with nothing changing. There are certain inputs that that happen, and that leads to different outputs. So this is the case with them, and that's how they were able to do that $66,000 day we saw over here. And not to mention, over that month, we were able to do around 350,000. So as you can see from their last 365, that is a significant chunk of their yearly revenue. So if you want us to break down and break your ceiling in your own e-commerce brand, just message me, record, and I'll audit your brand. My team and I will jump in and give you a comprehensive audit.